What's good in the hood, Josh? Help me back again with another video.
My style untouchable when I'm in my zone, I'm gone.
What's up with the Blade fam? Let's just get right into this product. All right, so in front of y'all is a product by Ulanzi. I have one of their products for my GoPro Hero. I think it was a 7. It was like a whole chamber case and everything. It's basically a vlogging kit. But yeah, I really like their brand. It's pretty cool. This is an item for your smartphones. This one is a CG02. I guess they had a version 1, but this one is a version 2. Pretty dope. This product supposedly helped with like the comfortability of you holding your smartphone, so then you could take better pictures and videos and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. It does come with a Bluetooth shutter button. It has a full light right here too, so that's pretty cool. It's right there, basically right in front. Let's cut this bad boy in and check it out. All right, box opening. All right, put those to the side. This comes with a Type-C cable, Type-C charger, cable charger, whatever. That's pretty neat. You get your manual right here, CG02. All right, and we're going to the main product. Okay, it has some help to it. It is made in China. I'm thinking these are Chinese words. Yes, it is. Yeah, that's about it in this thing. Ulanzi right in the front. It also has a thread thingy mabobber, so then you could twist onto your tripod, your selfie stick, all the good stuff. They got the resistant band right here. It doesn't go that far. Like this is the max it will go. Ugh. I would say that's about like 3 inches.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. All right, so this is the light right here. It cannot come off. Supposedly this can pop off. Cool, magnetized, very nice. This is like a little foamy pad right here. I'm still new to all these camera equipment, you feel me? I'm actually shooting on a phone, the Motorola. Why does it sound so weird? Motorola? The Edge one, 2022. It's not a bad phone. But anyways, yeah. So you get this detachable shutter button right here. Bang, bang, feel me? So you can just hold like this. On this thing right here, you also can put like either a microphone or an extra light or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I think that's the only thing you could put on here, huh? Like a microphone or a light. Put this right back. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, and there's a charger right there on the side. Let me charge it up for now. So convenient. I have a charger right here. There's no light. Can't even tell if it's charging or not. What is? All right, so now I'm gonna get one of my smartphones and test it out for you guys, okay? All right, so now I got 2 different phones in front of me right here. Samsung Galaxy S23, iPhone X. Let's test them both. Line it up. Bada bing, bada boom. Fits perfectly. Hey, this is actually pretty cool, man. Check it out. It's a full-size camera in your palm. Hey. The comfortability is not that bad. Oh, vlogging to the next level, taking pictures to the next level, recording, YouTube, anything. You feel me? All right, now let's try to pair this up. The Bluetooth on. Oh, on the side is another mechanism. Not a mechanism, but a little hidey door right here. So you can charge up this whole unit right here. Okay, there it is. There's a little light right here to indicate that it is charging. You see it? Boom. This button, when you hold it, it'll turn on, turn off. Hey, the light is not that bad neither. It's pretty bright. Not too bright where it's like blinding you, but it's like enough. Each click will be the brightness level: low, medium, high, back to low. So 3 modes. Pretty dope. I want to get this one to work. So maybe if I hold this, then it'll turn on. Holding the shutter button will turn it on. It'll start blinking. Go into your Bluetooth, search for Ulanzi, and it will connect pretty quick. Now you go to your camera, and let's see. I'm gonna just press it like this real quick. I took a picture. It's litty. Oh, it's recording. And then press again. No, stop. Oh, that's lit. That is so cool. Now let me just put everything together. Bada bing. Bada boom. Navigate to your camera. Got on record. Press the shutter button. You are recording. Press it again. It'll turn off or it'll stop recording. Let's go into your picture. Press the shutter button. And it took a picture. Oh man, I'm liking it. You want some light? Hold that, turn that on. Oh man, look at that. Oh, sorry. Look at that. pictures. Oh, I like this. This is gonna be one of my everyday carries, man. Look, you can just hold it, record, feel me, just like a full-fledged camera in the palm of your hand. Oh, that's lit. Okay, Ulanzi. Pretty cool gadget. This will be in my arsenal for show. You know, this is actually pretty cool for like, if you're like, you feel awkward, like holding a big ass camera in your hand, pointing at your face in front of public and stuff like that. This is a cool little thing where you can just throw into your bag. It's very lightweight. Throw it in your fanny pack, your backpack, whatever, your purse. But yeah, you know, take it out, take your phone, which is always going to be in your pocket or on you at all times. Slap those two together. Look how easy and fast it is. Boom, right there. It's not going anywhere. Feel me? Check that out. Be a professional, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? All right, now my Samsung. Let's see. Oh, it fits. That's what she said. Damn, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. All right, I'm gonna pair it up. I think I gotta unpair it off of the iPhone. Back into this right here. It popped up as Ulanzi. Click that. Pair it up. It is connected. Go to my camera. My brightness is all the way down. Bring it all the way up for you guys. Okay. And then. Oh, it worked. Check that out. It took a picture. Go into recording mode. Pressing the shutter button. And it is recording. It is lit. Check that out. That is so cool. Yep. I think I'm in love with this little gadget right here. Highly recommend this right here, guys. All you photographers out there, all you videographers, highly recommend this. And it's not that expensive neither. I think it was like 20 bucks, maybe 15 bucks. I'm not quite sure. If you guys want one, I'll put a link down below. It is going to be an affiliated link. You feel me? So get yourself right with one of them, man. Ulanzi. Never cease to blow my mind, dog. Very cool brand. I like that. I like that a lot. But yeah, guys, I was trying to make this a quick video. I get nervous making YouTube videos till this day, and I've been doing like YouTube for like years, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's just, man, it is what it is. I'm just an awkward ass person. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video was informative in any way. And if it was, please smash that like button.
Smash.
Subscribe to your homie for more content like this or anything else I do on this channel. I'm trying my best to be more active on here. You know what I'm saying? I do a lot of different things like car videos, booster pack opening videos like Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! You know, tech gear like this, just about any and everything. You feel me? Also, if you guys enjoy my content and stuff like that, feel free to, you know, swing by my IG page. I have a new IG that I'm trying to rebrand. You guys can follow me on there if you guys want to. It is Hurricane_Blades. You feel me? So yeah. All right, guys, that is my time. Thank you once again for joining me with this video, even though it's awkward as hell. And I'm very tired, bro. I work graveyard, okay? With that being said, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. All right, guys, remember, brush your teeth, clean your hair, be good to your parents. Until then, later, guys. Let's go. Ulanzi.
My style untouchable.